Hello lovely dandelions, come into my office. It's very early in the morning, the sun is streaming through, can you see? I'm just getting ready for launch actually, so I've still got my nails to do, I've still got makeup to put on, I've still got to finish my hair. Morning, people are still coming in. So I thought I'd just come on and tell you about my workshops at Stampers Anonymous in January, February, okay? I should have done this last week, Amy will be going mad with me. Anyway, because I'm in America, the stuff that I wanted to show you is actually in England, but I'm going to describe it and then you can, So there's 2 weekend workshops. There is a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then the following Friday, Saturday, Sunday at Stampers Anonymous in Ohio. All information will be up here. And so the first one, Saturday the 25th, Sunday the 26th, Monday the 27th of January. I always do these 2 weekends. So those are the dates this week. Saturday 25th, Sunday 26th, Monday the 27th. And that is going to be all stamping techniques. Everything we do there. So because I have new products, we should have new stamps by then as well. We should have new stamps. But they'll be using the pebbles, so we'll be embossing, we'll be masking, we'll be everything to do with stamps that you could think of. Everything new since last time as well, if you see what I mean. So that will all be techniques. That will be working in a journal, okay? And we'll be getting tons and tons done. The beauty of Ted's place, Stampers Anonymous, is we can have a heat tool at every single station. So we can do all the heat embossing and everything. So that's really good. So that's why I tend to do that there. So that will be stamp techniques. And then that will finish on the Monday. And then on the Friday, we will start again. So the 31st of January and the 1st and 2nd of February, Otis' birthday, we will be making a book from scratch. So it will be all techniques. So we'll be inking, we'll be painting, we'll be stenciling, we'll be brayering, we'll be blocking, we'll be doing all sorts. So we'll be making a book from scratch, binding it, and then we will be decorating it, okay? So that's the second weekend, 31st of January, 1st and 2nd of February. First day is always registration at 9:30. We start at 10. We finish at 5. Second day, we start at 10. We usually go through till about 7:38. We always have an evening dinner on that day, and the last day we finish at 4 because people are dashing off to get the planes and things like that. Everything's included. I always say, if you've got your own scissors, if you prefer those to mine, bring your own scissors, bring your own little cutting knife, and always bring your pens. Always bring your journaling pens to any class that I do. I use Posca pens, I use paint pens, I use some gel pens. So just bring your pens, mainly black and white, but you can bring other colours as well. That's all you ever need to bring with you. Everything else is included. We give you snacks throughout the day, snacks and drinks throughout the day. We give you lunch on both days, and then we give you dinner on the middle day as well. Okay, so there you go. Sorry I've got nothing to show you. I'm sure you'll love it. Oh, as well, keep the weekend of the 12th of April. Keep the weekend of the 12th of April free as well. I'll be in New Jersey the weekend of the 12th of April. But anyway, so that's where I will be if you want to come and see me, and if you want to come and have a fabulous class, okay? So the links will be up above for you to book. Information will be sent out just when you book, of ideas of hotels, etc. And then you probably won't hear from me. There will be a Facebook group made. There will be a Facebook group, which when you sign up, Emmy will let you know about that. And then you probably won't hear from me till we get there. I'll let you know if we've got a theme. There's usually a theme. I think it's not long after Christmas. It might still be sequins, so we'll see. But anyway, that's when it will be. Okay, bye.